Have you ever envisioned a garden that perfectly reflects your personality and gardening needs? A space where functionality and aesthetics dance in perfect harmony? Well, with the power of 3D printing, that dream can become a reality. 3D printing technology allows you to transform digital designs into physical objects, opening up a world of possibilities for your garden. Imagine a place where limitations vanish, replaced by boundless creativity and personalized solutions. Imagine a world where you're not confined to the selection at your local store. With 3D printing, you can unleash your inner artist and design anything your heart desires for your green haven. No longer will you settle for generic options. Your garden will be a true reflection of your unique style and gardening passions. Let's start with the foundation of any garden, the plant pot. 3D printing allows you to create pots that are perfectly sized for your specific plants, with drainage holes exactly where you need them to ensure optimal root health. The beauty of 3D printing is that you don't need to be a design expert. There are countless websites offering free downloadable files, STLs, for an incredible variety of plant pots. Simply find a design you love, download it, and send it to your printer. The possibilities are at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. You can also personalize your pots with unique colors, patterns, or even inspirational quotes to add a touch of whimsy to your garden. Imagine a hanging planter with your favorite gardening motto proudly displayed, reminding you of the joy of nurturing life. 3D printing goes beyond just aesthetics. You can create innovative tools that perfectly suit your gardening style and needs. No more struggling with ill-fitting handles or tools that don't quite meet your specific requirements. Imagine tools with handles that fit your grip perfectly, or seed spacers that ensure optimal spacing for your vegetables, maximizing your harvest yield. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and design tools that solve your unique gardening challenges. Don't stop at traditional tools. Think outside the box and design functional elements that add a touch of personality to your garden. Create custom plant markers with your own handwriting, design decorative edging for your flower beds, or even print a miniature bird bath to attract feathered friends. With 3D printing, your imagination is the only limit. 3D printing offers a revolutionary way to personalize your garden and unlock a world of creative possibilities. From perfectly sized plant pots to innovative tools and unique decorative elements, you can design a garden that is not only functional, but also a true reflection of your style and passions. So are you ready to transform your garden into a haven of creativity and functionality? With 3D printing, the power to design your dream garden is at your fingertips. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and give us comments. Thanks for watching.